Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I'm here today to tell you about our summer craft hop giveaway. There are 6 channels participating in our hop that we're having, and the host is Carrie of Handcrafted by Carrie. And I showed you the other channels as the video started, and I'll go ahead and link those below this video so you can go ahead and go check out all those channels as well. We're going to have the hop for 4 weeks, and on Saturdays we will upload new videos with either tutorials or a project share, and each channel is also going to have a giveaway, so you're gonna have to go to each channel and find out how to win their prizes. Our $30 grand prize will be drawn on the 29th, and Carrie of Handcrafted by Carrie will do that drawing and have that posted on her channel. But to be eligible to win the grand prize, you're also going to have to like and comment on all the videos throughout the hop on Saturdays. So make sure to go ahead and click the thumbs up, leave a little comment, let us know you were there so we can enter you into the drawing. Also, some channels are going to have more than one prize giveaway, and like I said, you're going to have to go to each channel and find out how to do that. We're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of crafts, and we're going to have a lot of giveaways, so y'all make sure to stay tuned and get ready, because Saturdays are going to be fun in June. So go ahead and click subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know when we upload, and have a crafty day. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.